Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're talking about another way you can earn more free Bitcoin. Okay, so here we are on the BetFury platform. This is on the TRX network. So first of all, you'll need a TronLink wallet. I'll put a link on how to get set up with a TronLink wallet down in the description. And then once you come here, you'll just have to sign in, you'll be good to go. But this is a platform that allows you to gamble a little bit and also earn free Bitcoin. I didn't realize how much of a powerhouse this thing was in earning free Bitcoin. You know, I said it would stack up, but I didn't know it would stack up this much. So you can see here's the amount that I've earned free so far. And if we go to Bitcoin, type this in, see this is $126, so not bad for sure. So let's come back here to BetFury. And when you're on the platform, you can come right here, box, free BTC, withdraw. This is really all you need to do to get free Bitcoin. I am human, just fill out this CAPTCHA thing. Super slow right now because I'm recording. Oh my God, my computer's gonna explode. Containing a car, so we gotta click on these cars. Next, car. Check, all good to go, click withdraw. And you can do this every 20 minutes. Got success, it's just gonna add to my balance right here. Here's another big thing though. When you actually play the games on the platform, you're gonna get these BFG BTC tokens. These are the big ones that you want, because we can come to staking right here. Every day, you'll be paid out for staking. You don't have to do anything to stake, just hold these in your wallet up here and you'll be good to go. It'll automatically pay you staking rewards. So you can see here's my payout. Every single day it's going to give me 0.0001 Bitcoin. That's going to show up right here. I just click withdraw, it's going to go up to my balance. You can also go to referrals right here. If you have any referrals, you know, they might be playing the games, you can get some stuff for free a little bit. So I'll just click withdraw there. That's going to add more to my balance. But if you want to earn these BFG tokens, which give you the daily payouts for Bitcoin, basically you want to play the games on their platform. This is kind of risky. I don't necessarily suggest it, but Dice and Plinko are pretty easy. You can go to Plinko. I'm just going to do a very little amount. This is 1 Satoshi basically. You can turn on fast if you just want it to automatically do it. I'll click bet. You'll see the little dot dropping down. And then this number should increase regardless of what I get. See, it just increased a little bit. Click bet again. Just increased a little bit. So that's it. You can play the games and earn those BFG tokens. Then essentially those BFG tokens earn you more Bitcoin over a longer period of time. But also, if you play the games, you can qualify for these boxes. So I bought the 10%. Basically, you have to wager that amount in their game. So I'm not going to do that right now, but I did do it once. And I was able to buy this box. So this box will basically earn me this much Bitcoin over 30 days. And the box costs this much. So you basically gain free Bitcoin over a 30-day period just for buying these boxes. I can click withdraw. You know, it's filled up a little bit more. That's going to add to my balance right there again. So just slowly building this Bitcoin balance basically. That's all I'm doing here. I recommend just getting the free boxes every 20 minutes. It's going to stack up. Also, the BFG, BTC sub tokens that you can get from playing the games are just very, very valuable because they're going to pay you every single day. Bitcoin, Tether, Tron, BTT, Ethereum, and then you can just withdraw that to your wallet. But there you have it, how to get free Bitcoin on the BetFury platform. Every single day, every 20 minutes. Also, if you want to risk it and play some of the games, you can get more Bitcoin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear